the Swedish way of solving simultaneous equations is to isolate y or x by itself. It's probably easier to divide by 2, so in this particular case I would rearrange this top equation to get y by itself. So if I get 2y is going to equal 14, and I move the 3x to the other side. On this side it's plus 3x, so on the other side it's going to be minus 3x. I still don't want to know what 2y is. Well, actually I need 4y there, so actually I could work out what 4y is directly. So let's double everything in this line to get 4y directly. So if I multiply everything on both sides of the equation by 2, I'll get what 4 lots of y is, and that's what I want. So 2y times 2 is 4y. 14 times 2 equals 28, and minus 3x times 2 is minus 6x. I now have a value for 4y. So let's put it straight into here. I know that 4y equals 28 minus 6x. So I get that 28 minus 6x, replacing 4y with what we know it is, minus 3x equals minus 2. So we now get that minus 6x minus 3x is minus 9 lots of x equals minus 2 minus 28. Minus 2 minus 28, which gives us that 9x equals 30. So x equals 30 divided by 9, which is 10 divided by 3. We now have an absolute value for x. So now we know that x equals 10 divided by 3, we can put it into this top equation. So then you do the same thing after that. So we now know that 2y plus 3x, 3 times 10 divided by 3 equals 14. The 3's cancel, we get that 2y plus 10 here, move it to the other side, it becomes minus 10, equals 14 minus 10. 2y equals 4, therefore y equals 2. We now know that y is 2 and x is 10 over 3. To make sure that we haven't made a silly mistake anywhere, we put all of these values into our second equation and check that we get the right answer. So we get 4 lots of y, which is 4 times 2, minus 3 lots of x, which is 10 over 3. And we check whether that equals minus 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 10 does equal minus 2. Yes, our double check works. So that's the Swedish way. So you can use either of those methods to solve simultaneous equations.